Do you have a problem? Do you see the triangle, the yellow triangle, and it beeps once in a while, and you don't know what it is? Okay, I'm telling you everything here. So I just took the oil, this stick, I put it in, put it out. As you can see, no oil, nothing. So I called the dealership and I told them I bought this car in the dealership, and I told them, hey, I need to know why I'm getting the beeping sounds. I mean, I'm driving and I take this. I mean, since I bought this car is under warranty. I mean, and since I bought this car, I'm taking it, every 2 or 3 months to have the oil change, the maintenance, and all the things. So this is the oil that I'm going to use now to fill this up. This is amazing. I mean, the car is it has around 139,000 miles, and it started consuming a lot of oil. Before, when I bought it, it was like 80 something thousand miles. It wasn't using oil at all, or at least I didn't realize. Now it seems like I cannot even reach the 5,000 miles, that I have to put more oil. So I called them and I told them, hey, this is the problem that I have. They said, well, bring it on. We will check it for you, and if it needs to be repaired, we will repair it. But this is the problem I'm having with this car. This is the second one that I have. The first one was Prius 2010. This is 2013, and it seems like they use a lot of oil after maybe 140,000 miles. It seems like a two-cycle engine, the two-cycle engine, like a lawnmower that you have to use gas and oil to make it work. Well, this isn't kind of like this. The other car that I had to put one of these like every week, one of these oil, one of these bottles. So this is very, very bad. So that is the problem. When you hear the beeping, is because it's not getting enough oil pressure, and that is why it's making that beeping sound with the triangle. So as usual, I don't know why, but they should say oil problem with oil, not enough pressure or not enough oil or anything like that. Also, they should have, like you have a gauge for the fuel, you should have a gauge for the oil as well, because these cars, they're crazy. So I bought a Toyota because, Scotty Kilmer, he said, oh, buy Toyota, always that is the best brand. That I think my next car is going to be a Tesla. I don't have to worry and deal with all this crap with oil, maintenance, and all the things. So if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the section below. I'm going to add some oil and take it tomorrow to the dealership and see how it goes.